Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something really cool here with me because I have the William Henry B12 Burns for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Would you look at this packaging here for a second? So there's a nice box already that helps transport and protect this beautifully made wooden box with this velvet bottom. And look at the hinges, like this is some high quality stuff. Nice logo over here. You have a button you need to press to reveal what's inside the case, and that's a nice and spongy top. And inside you have two little thingy like you pull up, and you have your certificate of authenticity with the number and the date, and then you have your B12 Burns, which is a very cool little knife over here. Look at this guy. This is an interesting one. It's made by William Henry. This is a button lock, as you can see right there. It's gonna be around $650, $670 US. It's not a big one because overall length of this guy is gonna be 7 inches with 4-inch long handle and 3-inch long blade. Nicely done, spear point. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I don't know if you can appreciate the lines. Look at that. This is a nice blast finished frame, aerospace grade titanium, gold anodized. The blade is bead blasted. It's called Black Wave because you can see, of course, the Black Wave Damascus right over here. And there's an extra strong core of ZDP 189 steel. And of course, you've got your button lock here, and the thumb stud are set with smoky quartz. I don't know if you can appreciate that. I mean, this is kind of like jewel level kind of thing. Of course, blade's perfectly centered, deep carry pocket clip titanium. It's I think reversible. I didn't try, but I think it's reversible. Coupled standoffs. It's anodized on the inside in a blue color and outside in a gold color. It's just fantastic, nice. Glossy pivot. You can deploy it like a boss, even if it's a classy little knife. Would you look at that? Great sound. It's nice button lock, super sleek, super slim, very easy to deploy. Discreet sound, guys. Click, and when you close it, of course, almost nothing. This is a gentleman's carry for sure, and the sound is like a testament to the discreetness you want to have when deploying such a cool blade like that. And look at the lines, really classy indeed. Let's see the weight, because I'm suspecting this guy is gonna be very weight because it's small, it's titanium, it's sleek, so it's gonna be 2.27 ounces. So there you have it. Pretty light indeed. Very cool. This guy is running on washers. It's like a gentleman's carry. There's a nice finger choil over here. Feels great in the hand. This is something you would carry like at a wedding or like some elegant occasion. You wanna pull this guy out. Look at the finish over here. I mean, really classy option indeed. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.